Getting your physical key and changing the battery in a Mercedes key fob. To get your physical key, simply press the little silver button and the key will pop out as it is spring loaded. To change the battery, it's easier to keep the key out, so just pop it out and lay it to the side. Then you want to press the little silver button and slide the black plastic cover back. Once you have the cover off, with your fingernail, slide the battery out, and the battery will be upside down, not facing you. Turn it over and notice the orientation. The battery is 2032 3-volt battery. To replace the battery, insert it in the little receptacle with the numbers away from you, and then insert it back into the key with the battery not facing you. Replace the cover, snap it in, and you're done. If you have a hard time and you can't get your nail, if you have a hard time pushing the button with your finger, just set it down and use the key to press the silver button, and it will be much easier to slide the plastic piece back. Press the button all the way down and it will be much easier to slide it back.